Look at this. Right here. Y'all have heard my voice before, so. And then a bunch of people. Hang on. Everyone says hi. But yeah, there's a bunch of glitched cats and we're making jokes about it. Like it's not a laughing, like it's a laughing matter. Like there's 3, one right here, another one right here, and another one right here. We are calling it, we should see. Let me just stop the recording real quick and ask what we were calling it. Y'all, we found 2 more. Oh, we found the bot. Guys. Oh, shoot, what is this? Ugh. Okay, it looks like this. It has stripes on its tail. It's tan and... Oh, shoot. Bye.